In today's video, guys, we're going to be creating the wispy fluffy no baby hair look. So if you are interested, keep on watching.
So guys, this hair is from Nadula Hair, and this is what you get inside of the box. Wig cap. Oh, 2 wig caps. This is the packaging, what the hair came in. That's what came with it too. That is it. Bonus, guys.
And I got sent over their Body Wave Brazilian closure wig in the length 24 inches, I believe.
This ain't glued down.
And this is HD lace, so that's why it blends really well into the skin, even though it isn't glued down. And I didn't go in and bleach the lace. That's how you know Nadula is doing the damn thing.
Guys, don't think because it's like this that there's no partying, because there is party. There is a party, so you can put it down in the middle. Okay, if you want to. And you can put it there. So you get a lot of party space, guys, and it goes all the way back. I'm gonna try my best, y'all. So yeah, let's do this.
So what you're going to do here at this point is basically pull out the hairs where you want your baby hairs to be. It's pretty self-explanatory. And go in and cut it down with either some hair scissors or a razor. And then once you're done doing that, then you're going to go and get your straightener and curl them. And by curling it with your straightener, that's what's going to give off that curly, wispy baby hair look that we're trying to go for. And then to lay them and shape them into place, you can either go in with some hair mousse or a hair-based gel. But in today's video, I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler gel. And just take your time with it, you know, especially if you're a beginner and you're very new to this. Just take your time with it, you know, cut it, shape it, just take your time and you will master it. And this is one of those things where you gotta keep teaching yourself, practicing, and you will get better each time. And I am nowhere near saying that I am the best, believe me, like I haven't perfected this wispy baby hair look. Alright you guys, so to get that fluffy kind of soft look, I'm going to go in with my rat tail comb and just comb through the baby hairs just to loosen up the gel a little bit, and it will give off that fluffy look that we're trying to go for. So yeah, you guys, this was my try of doing the wispy fluffy baby. Appreciate every single one of you who hit that subscribe button and like my videos and share my videos and leave comments. You guys don't know how much it means to me. You just don't know. But if you enjoyed watching today's video, like I said, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you all in the next one. And also guys, there's a lot of new content coming on the way, so keep a lookout for that. And yeah guys, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.